Good morning. It is time for what is it today? Lesson 9, Module 6, Lesson 9. Make sure that you have it pulled up on Google Classroom, you have pencil, paper ready to go. Work through and watch the whole video, find the code word and let us know what it is when you come to office hours. Finish the packet, and then in office hours, ask us any questions. We will check your packet, go over the work with you, and look at your exit ticket. Alrighty, I will see you soon.
All right, we are looking at Module 6, Lesson 9, lasers on a plane. Plane meaning a coordinate plane. So let's look at number 1. We are completing the table for the given rules. So for line A, the rule here is that y is 1 more than x. I know that more than means add. So it's going to be x plus 1. That's how I'm going to get y. Y is 1 more than x. So x is 1, y has to be 1 more than x, so y is 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. X is 5, we have to add 1, it's going to be 6. 9 is x, y is 1 more, we add, that's 10. X is 13, y is 1 more, we add, that's 14. Okay, then we create our coordinate pairs. We have 1, 2, oops, that was a 5, not an 8, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 13, 14. It's hard to write really small with this pen. That's the rule. It stayed the same the whole time, and now we're going to plot it. So I have 1, 2, I have 5, 6. I do my x first. Remember, you crawl, then you walk. You go across, then you go up. Okay, now I have 9, 10 is going to be right here, and then 13, 14 is right here. Once I've done that, I connect them and draw a line. That was line A. I'm going to label it. Then we are going to do the same thing for B. This time, y is 4 more than x. So if y is to be 4 more, I'm going to add 4. I'm going to put add, okay. So 4, that's going to be 0, 4. Here I have 5. I'm adding 4 because it's 4 more, that's 9. Here I have 8, adding 4. That's going to give me 12, so I have 8 and 12. And then I have 11, and I'm adding 4. It's going to give me 15, 11, and oops, I'm moving it. 11 and 15. And now I'm going to plot this. So 0, 4. I have 5, and where am I? I lost where I was looking. 5, 9, there we go. I have 8, 12. And I have 11, 15. Okay, I plotted that. I draw my line through it. The magic word that you are going to tell us, the code word when you come in, is water bottle. You're going to say water bottle when you come into class, into office hours. All right. Oh, I forgot to label it. Label it B. Okay. Now that we've done that, we're going to compare and contrast them. What's something you notice that's the same or different about them? Well, I noticed that they're parallel to each other. Both lines are parallel. If they keep going and keep going and keep going, they're never going to cross. What else do I notice? Well, I notice that line B is a little bit more than line A, right? I see that it's a little bit higher. So the way I'm going to say that is the difference is B has line B, that's line B, has Y values that are 3 greater than A. Right? It's more than A by 3. The Y was 2. And then in Y, it's more than that. Okay, we added 1, right? If you think about it, for line A, it was 1 more. And for line B, it was 4 more. So if you subtract that, it's saying us, oh, there's a difference of 3 units. Okay, this last part, based on these patterns, predict whether line C, whose rule is Y is 7 more than X. So this time it would be saying that we're adding 7. For this one, it would be X plus 7, right? It's 7 more than X. What would it look like? Well, I think that it would start over here at 7, and it would go something like this. It would keep increasing the same way. So I think it would be parallel to A and B. You don't need to plot any points. There are no points given. You don't need to solve this. It's just saying predict, and it would look something like this. It would be the same, but it would be 7th grader. Okay, now you're moving on to the next page. You are doing the same thing here. Here it says y is twice as much as x. Twice as much as x. So what does that mean? What math are you going to be doing? And then y is half as much as x. So for twice as much as x, it's going to be times 2. So it will be 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. You're going to finish that there. When you're looking here, if y is half as much as x, that's the math that you will be doing there. All right, create that rule for line F, finish this concept development, jump into your exit ticket, meet us in office hours, and remember the code word is water bottle. Nice job.